Oh my god, guys, I'm going to be trying this Afro inspired kinky edges wig. So this is not your typical straight edges. This wig matches my natural hairline. So this is my natural hairline, and I'm going to put this wig on and you're going to see how the natural Afro edges just look so natural looking. And this wig, you can wear it as a glueless wig. The lace is super thin, as you can see, no glue. You can wear it glueless, and this is what it looks like after I installed it on myself. It looks just like my own natural hairline. This gorgeous hair we're wearing today is from LUVME hair, and I have their 20-inch Afro inspired kinky edges 5x5 lace closure wig, and the lace is an undetectable lace wig, and the texture is kinky straight. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. This is my first time trying a kinky edges, and this is kind of what is trending right now with the natural looking edges, and I've always wanted a wig that has this natural looking texture of edges, so it's not like the straight ones that doesn't match, you know, if you have 4C hair or type 4B hair and you're tired of wearing those straight hair and those straight edges. So this texture is kinky straight. And yeah, so they also give you extra gift as always, and I'm just going to allow you guys to watch and see how I install the wig, so keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to I'm gonna try to make the edges match my hairline exactly. So what I'm gonna do is to kind of like I'm gonna pluck the edges a little bit, and you're gonna see how I do it. But this is what the wig looks like without me doing any kind of work or anything on it. So this is the length, this is the texture, and this is just how it is. So to make the hair match my hairline, so first I pull the wig back and just like take a look at my hairline, okay? And I'm just going to follow my hairline as much as possible. And yeah, I'm just going to thin out the very front of the edges and just like trim it down a little bit. So just see how I do it. So when you're installing it on yourself, you just want to kind of like follow your hairline, or if you don't have a good hairline, then you could kind of create your own hairline with this hair. So I'm using my tweezer and I'm just like thinning out the very front baby edges, and then yeah, I'm just gonna trim it down, so keep on watching. So this is what it looks like after putting the tint spray, and I really did my best to follow my hairline. So we're just gonna cut off the lace now.
So this is just one part of the lace cut off, but you can already see that this wig looks so natural already. Like the lace is like so thin, and the afro edges just makes it look super natural, like my natural edges would look like. And I like the way they just like, I don't know, just like get fuzzy in the front, and just like it's like a continuation of my edges. And the lace inside here, like you can't really see it because it's the lace is super transparent. And yeah, I love it. So let's go ahead and cut off this other side and see what it looks like. Are you seeing this wig? Oh my goodness, let me trim this side even more because this lace is so good. Let's cut off this side and like the excess lace off a little bit more. Just get this out. Wow. Just wow. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. So real.
Right now I'm adding water, and I'm also going to add some of my regular products, which some of you already know if you watch my other wig videos. My shea butter, my silk serum, and I'm going to apply some mousse as well. I really like this hair. I love the texture, and if you guys have watched my other wig videos, I think I've mentioned before that kinky straight is like my favorite. So I always love kinky straight, and this particular kinky straight texture is a good quality kinky straight hair. The hair is very soft, and I just want to wear it as it is without straightening it.
I don't want to straighten it. I don't want it straight. I want it to look like my hair from the baby hair. Like I want it to look like my hair from the top to the bottom, so I'm not going to straighten it. I love the texture. The texture is beautiful, as you can see. Nice natural looking texture. Very soft, and I also like the length as well, reaching me right here. So you can wear this wig completely glueless, as you can see. I didn't add any glue, and it looks so natural looking, like my hairline. You could do side part with this as well. Let me show you guys the part to the side. Yeah. Could do a nice side part. Okay. So to melt the lace even more, you could if you want to, like, you can spray down the Got2b spray. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like with the Got2b spray.
So after putting the spray, while blow drying it, before the Got2b completely dries off, you just kind of want to like press down the kinky edges in, like, I don't know how to explain, like you press it down forward so that it kind of covers the very edge of the lace. The lace is already thin, so you don't have to worry about that, but just to make it look like the edges is literally coming out from your scalp, you see why I'm just like pressing it down forward. So that's what you want to do before the Got2b spray completely dries off, so that way it looks like it's coming from your scalp and it looks more natural, as you can see. I absolutely love the kinky edges, guys. So I'll leave the link to this hair in the description box, and once again, this hair is from LUVME hair, so make sure you check it out and try it for yourself, and I don't think you're gonna have any regrets. So this was my edges before, and this is my edges after putting on the wig. So yeah, I really love it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.